Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about some mega developments taking place at the Norman Manley International Airport. Now this is the second busiest airport in Jamaica. It has about 1.7 million passengers a year using it, probably 1.8 million. But that's a small number compared to the busiest airport in Jamaica, which is the Sangster International Airport, which has about 6 million passengers using it a year. Now, the majority of the passengers that use the Sangster International Airport are tourists going on the north coast of Jamaica. But a lot of developments are taking place around Kingston that would mean this airport is going to see more traffic. They plan to build out hotels in St. Thomas. There is even talk of building hotels in Portmore, all of which would use this airport. And with Kingston being the capital of Jamaica and the most populated area in Jamaica, Jamaica has a population of about 3 million, and more than half live in the Kingston metropolitan area, where you include Kingston, St. Andrew, and St. Catherine. So the airport is trying to get more traffic coming to the airport, so they're doing a lot of changes, or they're doing a lot of upgrades. And also in terms of airports in the Caribbean, the Sangster International Airport with traffic of 1.8 million is probably the 10th busiest airport in the Caribbean. So there's a lot of room for improved traffic. Alright, so we're going to go through the major developments taking place at the airport. One is runway rehabilitation and extension. The runway was resurfaced and strengthened to accommodate larger aircraft such as the Boeing 777 and Airbus A350. This would allow for, and those planes are usually the ones that do the long haul flights. New lighting systems were installed to improve visibility for night landing and takeoffs, and better drainage systems were introduced to reduce the risk of flooding and water pooling, which can be dangerous for aircraft. And the extension also helps increase the airport's capacity for long haul flights, allowing direct routes to more international destinations. Two, they are terminal expansion and modernization. The airport underwent a major facelift to make passenger movement more seamless. Check-in areas were expanded with more self-service kiosks to reduce wait times. New security screening technology was introduced for faster and safer passenger processing, and the baggage handling system was upgraded to reduce delays and improve luggage tracking. More shopping, dining, and lounge facilities were added to enhance passenger comfort. 3. Seawall and flood protection enhancements. NMIA sits on the Palisades Strip, a low-lying area vulnerable to hurricanes, storm surges, and sea level rise. A seawall was reinforced and extended to protect the airport from coastal erosion. The project included improvements to stormwater drainage systems to prevent flooding, ensuring the airport remains operational during extreme weather. These measures reduce the risk of airport closure and protect vital infrastructure. 4. Upgraded air traffic control and navigation systems. New state-of-the-art radar and navigation technology were installed to improve flight safety and efficiency. Automatic dependent surveillance broadcast systems were introduced, allowing more precise tracking of aircraft in real time. These upgrades help controllers manage more flights with better accuracy, reducing delays and increasing safety. Enhanced communication systems improve coordination between pilots and air traffic control, reducing human error. 5. Sustainability and energy efficient initiatives. NMIA has taken steps towards becoming a greener airport by reducing its carbon footprint. Energy efficient LED lighting was installed across the airport to lower electricity consumption. Water conservation initiatives such as rainwater harvesting and efficient plumbing systems were implemented. Improved waste management and recycling programs were introduced to reduce environmental impact. Plans for using solar power and other renewable energy sources are also being explored. These upgrades have helped boost NMIA status as a modern, resilient, and efficient international airport. Alright, guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. And also, what else do you think they could do to improve or to get more traffic to the airport? Alright, guys, have a good day.